Alrighty, so we have a breaker that's too big for our wire that's being used. Here in the country I was born in, we use 14 American wire gauge on 15 amps and 12 American wire gauge on 20 amps, and there happens to be some 14 gauge wire on this 20 amp circuit coming from an outlet to go to a light switch. So we are going to take and put a 15 amp circuit breaker on it. It is this type right here. You can see the 15 on the handle. Black is live, white is neutral, bare green is the ground, and red and blue are also live colors. So I'll show you how to swap out a circuit breaker to match the smallest wire on the circuit. We have the one off. Okay, so this is the breaker that's a 20. So we'll just pop it out like this. Lift it out like this. And you'll see that there's a terminal inside here like this. So you just loosen that terminal. We'll take the wire out of that hole there. You can see this says 20 on it, so that's how to tell that it's a 20 amp. And this is our 15 amp. So we'll put our wire into the hole like this. I'll push it down to make sure it's in the hole all the way, and I'll just tighten our screw up. Make sure it's tight. Okay, so now we can just set our breaker back into the box like this. Pushes in like that, and we can turn it back on. And we'll collect our screws here that we sat down to put when we'll put our cover back on the box. Now we have the proper size breaker for the size wire, the smallest size wire on the circuit. Now I'll make sure the cover is fitting over all the breakers properly. Make sure that they are seated in here properly. And we are all set. Alrighty, so that is how to properly swap out a circuit breaker here in the country I was born in. Peace. Thanks for watching.